Welcome to Arcade, the platform that transforms how you create, share, and optimize interactive demos. Managing your arcade workspace efficiently is key to unlocking its full potential. In this guide, we'll explore how to navigate the platform, customize settings, and set up your workspace for success. Let's dive in. Let's explore the platform's core features that help you manage your arcade workspace effectively. Home, your main dashboard for quick access to demos, recent activities, and key updates. Inbox, stay in sync with your team through real-time comment notifications across your arcades. My Workspace, your personal area for creating and managing demos privately before sharing. Team Workspace, access all your shared demos and collaborate with your team. Insights, track how your demos engage viewers and convert leads through detailed analytics. Leads, track and manage potential customers who've interacted with your arcades for effective follow-ups. To access your workspace settings, click on your workspace name at the bottom left corner. From here, you can configure your workspace to suit your needs. The settings menu includes the following tabs. General, update your team's name to reflect your branding or organizational identity. Members, add team members, assign roles, and set permissions to ensure everyone has access to the right tools and demos. Theme, create branded demos with customization options, including fonts, brand colors for hotspots and buttons, background and text colors, logo placement, wrapper styles, cursor design, watermarks, navigation controls, and background music. Access and privacy. Control visibility and security settings for your demos through options like default sharing preferences, team access controls, edit and comment permissions, search engine indexing settings, and privacy features such as IP tracking controls and GDPR compliance options. Billing and plans. Manage subscriptions, view invoices, and adjust plans as needed to fit your team's growth. Integrations. Enhance your workflow by connecting Arcade with popular tools like Amplitude for behavior tracking, Clearbit for lead intelligence, Figma for design exports, Google Analytics and Tag Manager for tracking, HubSpot for CRM integration, Intercom for messaging, Mixpanel and PostHog for analytics, Segment for event tracking, and Slack for notifications. You can connect these tools by clicking the Configure button next to each integration. And that's how you can navigate and manage your arcade workspace. Ready to explore more? Subscribe to our channel for additional tips and tutorials.